before it's too late. I know Museveni is having money right now, and is good at giving money to make people silent on the atrocities which are taking place in Uganda. But please stand for the sake of our nation. Previously, we used to know that people from northern Uganda, they are not corrupt. They speak the truth. But we don't know what happened to them. We used to know that Baganda are very strong people. Due to Museveni's system of compromising people, and even the thing which he didn't know, that so many Baganda are not Baganda. Now Uganda is falling down. What happened in the western side of the country? God knows. In the west, God knows. It's because nothing our grand is new about Museveni's mission. But lucky enough, Robert Kyagulanyi came out, and we also came on social media to expose Museveni's mission. Please wake up before it's too late. This is not blackmail or propaganda. Bad things are taking place in Uganda across the country, but many people are sleeping. Please stop being compromised by the Museveni's agent. Salim Saleh is not an indigenous Uganda. He's a Somalian origin. But the man is situated in Nakaseke, the same time situated in northern Uganda, is well loaded with money. How can just a mere person, who even is not a Ugandan, being allocated in the financial year, each and every financial of Uganda is in the budget of Uganda? But nobody can come out to speak. Even those people who used to speak on behalf of Ugandans, all they were compromised, including the Robert Mau, the Odongo Oto, Ojara Mapenduzi, the Red Sosiri Ogwal, and others. All they went silent. I don't know what happened to people from northern Uganda. Here in Uganda, in Uganda, we have a lot of problems. Because we thought that these people all in Uganda are Baganda, but unfortunately these people are just using our names and our languages. But they're the same people with the Museveni. They are dealing with Museveni day and night. And the reason as to why our brothers and sisters are suffering in different countries, in different parts of the world, because they left the country due to the fact that they are going to look for green pasture. Which green pasture? They prefer to get that green pasture in their own country, in Uganda. Due to tribalism, due to this discrimination, and other factors. Others left the country due to the political turbulences, which some of you can't even see that they are a big problem in Uganda. As we speak right now, there are so many political prisoners in different prisons in Uganda. If you ask the judicial system, if you ask the police, if you ask Museveni himself and his colleagues, what crimes did those political prisoners committed? Nothing. But due to the fact that they can come out and speak about the atrocities committed by Museveni, which affects Museveni directly and his colleagues, that's why he doesn't want anyone to come out to speak. They end up arresting, kidnapping, and killing innocent Ugandans. Why? Because he feared to be exposed. The only medicine to eliminate Museveni and his team, first and foremost, is to expose them. When you expose Monyaronda, he becomes more dangerous. You keep on exposing him, he just let it go and vanish. But when you keep quiet, the Monyaronda is good at camouflaging. Uganda is rich in minerals. Ask yourself why the Wazungu nicknamed that Uganda is a part of Africa, because they know exactly what is underground in that part of Africa. So it's high time we stand together to save our identity. If we keep on dividing ourselves, due to tribal differences, which are not available at this point, because for me, I'm a Muganda by the tribe, but I have no problem with other tribes in Uganda. And the person who had created those differences is Museveni. You know it clearly, you know the history. Museveni is good at blackmailing his opponents. We've lost so many strong people, strong men and women in each and every sector in Uganda because those people opposed Museveni. Politically, socially, economically. They opposed Museveni. You know Museveni doesn't want someone who opposes him. Museveni doesn't want someone who opposes him politically, economically, socially. He doesn't want that. He's against those people. That's why he's good at associating with the comedians, the likes of Nabanja, the likes of Banama, and the others. Because those people are not serious. They're like dogs. If you feed a dog, the dog will be around you, barking around, scaring off people. So, that message goes out to all Ugandans wherever you are. Politics aside, we must save our identity. And our identity is that land. If we lose that identity, that means automatically we are going to become a refugee in our own country. And you don't know what it means to become a refugee. You will end up in a concentrated camps. And you know what it means to be in a concentrated camps. That means one by one, you are going to be eliminated. Slowly by slowly, process by process. In just near future, almost, the generation of indigenous Ugandans, they will be wiped up from their own land, from their own country. So it's high time you wake up. If not so, no problem. Kale, n'ensonga eyo, njagadde obategeeza bana Uganda. Ka programu kano nkabagambye kubategeeza nti mufiirwa obuvo bwammwe n'ekibafuula mmwe. Ekikufuula Munnayuganda ng'oggyeko endagamuntu ne passport gy'okwata. Ekikufuula Munnayuganda ly'ettaka bwe buvoobwo era y'ensibukoyo. Wabula baagala bo kujjako ate ofuuka omunoonyi w'obuddamu nga bo bwe baava ewaabwe kubanga bajja bagoba luuma. Essaawa zino balina ssente, balina obuyinza, balina emmundu. Baatwetobekamu betuyita Abaganda mannya ng'oli alina erinnya nti simanyi Alani Kasujja ng'ennyinde mulinga nga firimbi z'Abayudaaya. Is not Muganda. Naye nga tasobola kulaga kitewadde nnyina, abo bangi nnyo. Ng'ekigendwa kyabwe kyakubabonyaabonya mmwe. Bazadde abaana bangi nnyo, mmwe temubamanyi. Babatadde buli wamu, ssente bazirina. Muganye okutegeera ensonga eno. Naye buno obukyabuziba bwenkanya omwana ne kitaawe oba omwana ne nnyina. Bwe munaagaana okusituka, mujja tandika okulya vidiyo zino nga temuzitegeera. Olwaliro vidiyo eno ekitundu kyanyu kikoze mu Lunyaanyimbe, kino kisobozesa abantu abagaa tebamanyi Luganda okubonyonyola mu Luzungu